These skeleton educational videos are going viral right now and they're getting millions of views. Every brand new YouTube channel is currently using this trend, and very shortly I'm going to be showing you how to make videos like this for completely free using just free tools. So if this is something you like, do well to subscribe to this video. Stay tuned to the end of this video as I'm going to be sharing a tip that would help you go viral. So let's get started. To get started, you're going to need a chat box. Head over to ChatGPT and then come over to this part that has apps. For some, you might just see GPT on your task bar, but if you don't see it, click on apps and then come over to this part that has GPTs and click on it. Over here at the search bar, just go ahead and search for skeleton shot. It should give you a lot of options. Go ahead and pick the one that has just skeleton shots without any other details to it. Once you click on this first one, go ahead and click on start chat. And this GPT is created to give you script ideas and images that you can turn to videos. This is created specifically for shots like this and it is for free. So all you just need to do is just put in the idea that you want it to create. So let's go ahead and put, for instance, eating burger. And once you hit on enter, it is going to give you a prompt that would show a skeleton enjoying a juicy burger and then what this burger goes ahead to do to the body. Basically something very educational about junk food. So this is just a basic idea. You can be more detailed if you want something more detailed. So all you just need to do is just come to this part and copy the prompt. So once that is copied, head over to Wix AI and you're going to come over here to paste in your prompt. Now, do not hit on enter yet. We're going to do something amazing. Come over to your Pinterest and search for 3D skeletons. You're going to see a list of skeletons that you can use as your reference images on Wix AI. So just go ahead to select what you want. This is to help distinguish you from every other creators because we don't want you doing what every other person is doing so it doesn't look boring. So in order to be distinctive, just go ahead and pick a reference skeleton that you would want to work with. So I am going to go ahead to pick this one. So once you've picked the one that you want, go ahead to download it. Once that is downloaded, head back to Wix AI. If you come over to this arrow, just click on it and then it's going to bring out this option where you can add the subject that you would want your prompt to model after, basically your reference image. So I'm going to go to upload the image we just downloaded from Pinterest. So once you upload it in here, it's going to begin analyzing it, and once it's done, go ahead to set your aspect ratio. We're going to be going with 9:16 because this is the perfect aspect ratio for YouTube Short, TikTok and Instagram. Once that is done, you have your reference image here, you have your prompt. Go ahead and hit on enter and it's going to begin generating your image. And this is our image. This is the first one. You can see that it literally used our reference image to generate this. And this is the second one, so you can just pick from whichever one you want and then go ahead to download. I think I'm going to be picking the first one, so go ahead to download your image. After downloading it, go over to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, paste it on the prompt section of Wix AI, hit on enter and do the same thing until you're done generating every image you're going to be needing for this video. After you're done generating, you should have varieties of images like this. Just go ahead to download them, and once you're done downloading, we're going to move to the next step, which is changing these images into video. And to do this, we're going to be using another free app, and that would be Grok AI. So just come over to this part that has your attached image and go over to upload the first image. So once this is uploaded, you can come over to the prompt section and just add something that you want your character to perform. So you can just say eating burger or whatever detailed prompt you would want it to do. Once you're done, just go ahead to hit on generate and it is going to begin generating the first part of your video. So our video is done generating and this is what the first video looks like. And it pretty much looked like one of the Faceless YouTube channels that we just analyzed. So you're going to go and do the same thing for every other image that you generated. And once that is done, ensure that you download every clip. So now after you're done generating your video, we're going to move to the next step, which would be to generate voiceovers for this video. You're just going to head over to ChatGPT and tell it to write a voiceover script that perfectly includes all parts of the images generated. Now once that is done, you're going to have a voiceover script that looks like this. Go ahead and copy it. Once that is copied, head over to 11 Labs and then come over to the part that says text to speech. Click on it and then you're going to come over to this prompt section to paste in your prompt. Once that is pasted, you can choose from the list of voices in here, whether you want a deep voice, a storytelling voice, very lightweight voice, anything you want, you can get them here for free. So I'm going to be going with this voice named Adam. So you're going to click on it. Once that is clicked, click on generate speech and it's going to begin generating your voiceovers for you. And once it's done, just go ahead to download this voiceover. Now after you're done downloading every material you need, come over to download all your resources, including the voiceovers you're going to be using for this, and then bring all your materials into the timeline. And once this is properly placed, go ahead to put your voiceover just beneath the video and ensure that this is set properly. Now you can decide to add a smooth transition so that it flows properly. Once that is done, your video is literally ready. Just come over to this part that has export to export your video, and once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. So this is basically how you can create amazing videos like this with your smartphone or with any device at all for absolutely free. Get monetized, get paid, and go viral. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and if you're going to be trying this out. And then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.